Hey guys, Ryan here with Quentn.com. Just want to share a quick tip here in the Quentn system. I was working on a landing page just now for one of our 1 hour email engine people who took us up on the $1 trial offer. So I'm setting a lot of the funnel up for James here. And we've got the free 2026 real estate business planning workbook. And then we're going to want to have a thank you page that the person goes to after they fill out the form. Now, the default thank you page is just a redirection confirmation message. And it just is kind of generic. It just says, hey, go check your email to confirm. A better thing to do, and this is what I wanted to share, would be to toggle this right here to web page and to build an actual page that looks consistent with the page they were just on, where you can give further instructions, or even better, do a video where the person can get to know you a little bit. You can kind of pre-sell and engage people with your lead magnets. So what I wanted to show you is that once we go to this thank you page, I'm going to redo this again. I'm on the landing page, then I'm going to click the tab here and go to the thank you page. And I'm going to change my redirection type to web page. And then it's going to have this default page right here. But what I can do, this is the little trick, is I can click, let me get myself out of the way, I can click on load template just like this. And then I can look for pages that I've already built. Now, I have just built the main page that the person's opting in for, so I can use that page right here under landing pages as my template, and then I get an almost identical looking page. Now I'm going to go to full screen, and what I can do is I can then just delete out the form like so, and I can even leave some of this or not leave some of this, but I can change this, and I can say, change the headline and say, check your email to confirm to get your workbook. So it looks consistent, right? And then on the second line here, it could say, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me anytime at, and then I'm not going to put the phone number here of this person, but at phone number. And then we could, maybe we will delete the section down here, and we'll delete the girl. And then the absolute best practice thing to do would be to come over to the content block over here, and then we will drag a video block in. So give me a second. I've dragged my video block in, and then you can put a YouTube or a Vimeo video URL here and say thank you to the person, tell them what to expect next, and really start to build the relationship, which is going to be the best practice. But if you're shy, you're not ready to do video, you can just put a picture of yourself here instead of a video, right? Or you can just, feel free to contact me, James. But basically what you end up with, the trick, again, is that you get some consistency in the design by just choosing the load template. You pick the page that you just did, and you modify it slightly, and then you have the opportunity on this thank you page to do what a lot of internet marketers call bridging, where the person gets to know you. The main trick here being that when you go to the thank you page, toggle to web page, and then load template, and then load the landing page you had already built. Stay tuned here at Quentn.com. Definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel, and watch out for emails about further tips and tricks like this. And if you need any help building out your email engine or any other marketing automation in Quentn, feel free to reach out anytime or click the link you find somewhere near this video.